So being arrested is usually the worst night of your life. Being taken in handcuffs to the jail and being booked is just this terrible, traumatic experience. Once you bond out, you're going to want to confer with criminal defense attorneys as quickly as possible. This is not the time to look for a personal injury attorney or somebody that does divorces and a little criminal law on the side. You're going to want to hire a law firm or an attorney that does nothing but criminal defense. I always think about it like this. You have these college athletes that are really good at multiple sports, but eventually they have to pick the sport they want to go pro in. That's kind of same thing with lawyers and law firms. You don't want somebody that kind of does a little bit of everything. After an arrest, consult with criminal defense attorneys and criminal defense law firms who exclusively practice criminal defense. Being arrested is the process where the police officers put the handcuffs on you. This is the terrible part. This is the part that's the most uncomfortable. A lot of times for clients, it is really the kind of the apex of the uncomfortableness. It's downhill after that. Going to court, hiring the attorneys, as intimidating as that may be, it's actually not as bad as the night of the arrest. Going to the jail and getting booked is the process of having your thumbprint and your photos and all those things that you see on TV. All that information goes into a computer, into a database that's then shared throughout Texas. That process takes a long time. It actually takes longer in bigger counties than it does in smaller counties. The process of getting booked is what happens after you get arrested. After that, you're waiting for a magistrate judge, and a judge is going to set the bond, tell you your charges, and then release you on bond, hopefully. At that point, you go back home, and you're free to start meeting with attorneys and preparing your defense.